Hi, this is Shelley Kraft. We're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House Silver Summit in Spokane, Washington, 2013. I have with me Mr. Bruce Winfield of Defiance Silver Corp. Public company, DEF on the TSX Venture. Welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much, Shelley. I appreciate having the opportunity to speak with you.
It's good to have you. Okay, so tell our audience why you are so defiant. I mean, tell me about Defiance.
Shelley, it's an amazing story in that we're following the pattern that Great Panther, Endeavour Silver, Impact Silver, First Majestic, all of these well-known silver-producing companies have gotten into silver production in Mexico through buying up old assets, historic assets, mines, mills, revamping them, bringing them into production, applying modern technology, and that's exactly what we're doing in the Zacatecas district.
What's your background?
My background is I'm a geologist. I've worked with major firms for about 15 years and then came into Latin America. I lived in Madrid for 3 years with one of the majors and then moved into Latin America in the late 80s. So I've been working there for 25 years now.
It's amazing, isn't it? How, I don't know as much as you would know in the world of geology. So tell me a little bit about what you're sitting on.
Well, what we're sitting on is just a fantastic opportunity as far as I'm concerned. Once before in my career, I came across the same type of opportunity in Nicaragua. We acquired it. It's now the major mine for B2 Gold. This is the same thing. It's a historic mine. It's produced over 100 million ounces of silver to date. We see the potential only, but for another 100 million. We have a current resource of 12 million inferred and 3.5 indicated ounces. We also have an option on a small mill, which is 200 ton a day, located 2 kilometers from the mine. So you've got both aspects, the early possibilities of early production stage situation, as well as the upside of 100 million ounce potential that could be of interest to a major silver producer. These kind of opportunities don't drop into your lap every day.
So where do you live?
I live in Vancouver. I travel, but I've spent, my wife will tell you I've spent way too much time, but I spend about 40 to 50% of my time in Latin America typically working on the projects. I love the culture, the people. I speak Spanish fluently enough that I operate in Spanish in Latin America when I'm down there.
So where specifically is Defiance located?
Defiance, we're located in the just north, 5 kilometers north of the town of Zacatecas. This is the state of Zacatecas. It's one of the mining-friendly states. They have larger operations like Peñasquita, Camino Royal. The Zacatecas district has produced over 1 billion ounces of silver. That's B with a billion, and it's with in the last 500 years. Second oldest mining district in Mexico. Safe area. So it's an ideal location to be there. Zacatecas is a pretty town. It's also colonial. You have the old cobble streets, the large churches, but you have this tremendous mining potential and tradition.
So what's the website?
www.defiancesilver.com is the website. On there you'll find a fact sheet with summaries of the project. There's also a PowerPoint with more details, and then write-ups with even more details.
You know what I'm impressed with? You're having fun.
The market is not fun, but the projects and the geology is always fun. So hey, you can't make the market. We can only deal with what we have to deal with. So that's the part that's fun, and I really enjoy the chasing the projects and developing the mines, making money out of the mining.
Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce Winfield, Defiance Silver Corp, symbol DEF on the TSX Venture. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House Silver Summit in Spokane, Washington, 2013. Bruce, thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Well, again, thank you very much for the opportunity, Shelley.
Good to have you.
Thank you.